What are we making? Sweet chili
sauce.
Sweet chili sauce. Actually, this is a Revive cookbook special. I love the Revive cookbooks because they make cooking easy and they're healthier options. This is just half a cup of dates and I've actually soaked them in hot water, so just hot boiling water. And it's just half a cup and a quarter of a cup of water. So I've just thrown it in the blender. And 4 garlic cloves, so all crushed up. 4 garlic cloves. And it's 1 chilli, and you leave the seeds in the chilli, but this chilli is a bit of a huge chilli, so maybe don't use one this big. I'm actually considering taking...
Mummy, you're not.
Oh, look at all the bubbles. I'm taking some chilli out because that's huge, but it's just 1 chilli with the seeds.
Yeah.
And these are great for like with the kids when they've got chips, like baked chips or sweet potato chips, and you want a chili sauce and you don't want to just give them anything. 1 teaspoon of salt, so 1 teaspoon of salt. And 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and this is going to help preserve it as well. And I will blend this until it's smooth. Now, the dates have been soaking for maybe half an hour before we started, so you could just put them in there. Okay, so I blended that until it was smooth. There we go, until it's smooth. And I'm just going to put that in a pot, just a small pot. Let it simmer a touch while that's cooking. 1/4 cup of water and just arrowroot powder. I just use 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder and you put it in there. Yep, you just mix it around. Do you want to mix it? Can you mix it until it's not into a paste? Yeah, you mix it into a paste. And the arrowroot, all it's going to do, once this is simmered a little bit, you're just going to put the arrowroot in it and it's just going to give it a bit more bulk. That's good. That's really good. Okay, I need to take it off. You don't need to keep it on the fire. Take it off. Then put the arrowroot in.
Taste and it was
and then just mix until it sort of thickens up. It doesn't take long.
Custard.
It's like custard, isn't it? So I'm going to pour it in a jar because if you've got a jar, an airtight jar, you can keep it in the fridge for a while. So there you go. There's your homemade sweet chili sauce. Done. I'm going to put the lid on it. Put the lid on it and put it in the fridge for whenever we need it. Hope you enjoy it.